Today, I'll show you how to connect your Ring doorbell to Wi-Fi step by step. This works even if setup fails the first time. First, download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is required to set up and manage your Ring doorbell. Open the Ring app and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, create a free Ring account to continue. Once logged in, tap Set up a device, and then select Doorbells from the list. Scan the QR code located on the back of the Ring doorbell or on the packaging. If scanning doesn't work, you can choose Set up without scanning. Confirm your location when prompted. This helps Ring optimize features like motion alerts and notifications. Give your Ring doorbell a name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you have multiple Ring devices. Press the Setup button on your Ring doorbell. When the light starts spinning white, the device is ready to connect. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the temporary Ring Wi-Fi network shown on screen. Now select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes. Keep your phone close to the doorbell while it connects. The device may update during setup. This is normal. When setup is complete, press the doorbell button. If you receive a notification, your Ring doorbell is connected. And that's how you connect a Ring doorbell to Wi-Fi. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you need more help.